Hi there, I'm Robert Wickens. I'm the Chief Flight Instructor at Western Community College with our new flight training program for commercial pilots. Really excited about the beginning of this program, which is geared towards pilots who want a career in aviation. It's the stepping stone, it's the beginning, and this is a place to start. We've got great aircraft, location is excellent. We're at an international airport, and one of the unique characteristics of our school is we'll be able to get you to a professional level of flying. So you'd be first and a high priority, and we would be geared to get you finished and successful. Private pilot license, that just is the beginning, and it's a legal requirement that you get that license first before going on to your commercial. Program duration would be, it'd be a minimum of 18 months from nothing to a commercial pilot, and from there, again, depending on skill, and if you push yourself to succeed, 18 months would be a legitimate time frame. We're flying a Cessna 172, however, the equipment that's in our particular 172 is what they call a glass cockpit, so that starts to get you integrated into the types of instrumentation you're going to use when you're flying with the airlines. A lot of the older schools, they do not integrate the newer type of equipment. We've got that. Prerequisites for the program really is that you have at least a high school education, so your fundamentals in mathematics are adequate, and you do need to pass an English proficiency. And we can train more one-on-one and individual, and that's the best way to learn anyway. It's a highly specialized skill, and you will have questions because it doesn't relate to anything else that's out there. It's not driving, it's flying. So that's a unique thing.